have seen there are various data collection techniques as far as field research method is concerned. So one such method is participant observation, and there is another method which is called as interview method. Now we will discuss what are the methods of analysis of these collected data. See, there are two methods. So one method we call it as a qualitative data analysis, and the another method is a quantitative data analysis. So what is the difference between qualitative data analysis and quantitative data analysis? So qualitative data analysis is the process of organizing, analyzing and interpreting qualitative research data. So a data which is non-numeric, conceptual information, it is called as a qualitative data. So in qualitative data, the information which we have collected is the representative of the quality of that individual or the society. For example, a person may be sick or a person may be healthy. Sick and healthy are the qualities of an individual. So likewise, there are the qualities of a society. So in qualitative data analysis, the data which we have collected is of non-numeric in nature. And these are the methods of analysis of qualitative data. What are those methods? So these are content analysis, narrative analysis, discourse analysis, thematic analysis, grounded theory, and interpretive phenomenological analysis. So these are the methods through which we can analyze a qualitative data. So the examples of qualitative data are, the first example if you see here is the observation, interviews, surveys, questionnaire, focus group or online forums and case studies through which we can collect qualitative data. And once we have collected this type of data, then we can analyze these qualitative data by using some statistical tools and techniques. So there are four components of qualitative research design. These four components includes case identification, data analysis, surveys, and semi-structured interviews. Now come to the second way of analyzing data, in which we have the numerical data. So quantitative data analysis is all about analyzing number-based data using various statistical techniques. So there are the two main branches of statistics which are known as descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. In descriptive statistics, we collect the collected data. Through this collected data, we can measure few important descriptions in which we can normally calculate the mean, median, mode, and all these. Because since the data is numerical in the nature, we can find out the averages. There are various measures of averages and the measures of dispersions through which we can understand what are the average of the collected data. So there are the four main types of quantitative analysis. So these are descriptive, correlational, causal, and experiment research. So these are the main four types of quantitative data analysis. So the methodology steps for quantitative investigation are these. The first one is a research question. We need to find out the research question. So identification of the research problem and the identification of the questions, so that we can we have to develop or design the questionnaires. So that is one part. The second part is the research strategy. We have to design the data analysis and finally we have to report it. So that is called as a data reporting. So quantitative analysis is the process of collecting and evaluating measurable and verifiable data such as revenues, market shares, and wages in order to understand the behavior and performance of a business. And the quantitative research is based on critical interpretation of empirical observations. It is deductive means begins from theory. It is carried out after completing the task of theory constructions. In it, researcher defines the concepts before initiating research. Quantitative researchers use mathematical models, inferential statistics, and graphs for the presentation. So these are all about field research methods in which there are two units, and we have discussed these two units. So whatever the discussion I have made, these are based on the resource material on field research method which is prepared, compiled and created by Professor Rupa Milind Patil. MA Sociology, AMLIB and SET. So thanks to the madam for preparing this resource material and sharing with for the students of BSc 2 of Dr. Ghali College, Gadinglas. Thank you very much.